Hello, my name is Shige Higashi. I'm editor of Cultural News. I like to show you the latest edition of the weekly Cultural News. Here we go. I started Cultural News about 20 years ago, and I had been publishing monthly Culture News until April this year. And because of corona pandemic, I have to stop publishing monthly newspaper from May this year. Then I started weekly culture news PDF version for substitute of a monthly culture news since June this year's. And every Monday, I published new issues. So today is uh, October 26, 2020. I like to show you the new issue of Weekly Culture News. We have 6 pages of the culture news this week. On the first page, we have article about online theaters, online uh, programs. This is from New York. No Societies online series will feature No Izutsu Timeless Love on October 30th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. This is Eastern Daylight Saving Time. From the next day, November 1st, we will go back to the standard time. On page 2, the no article continues. And on page 3, we also have the online program from New York. This online program is presented by Japan Societies in New York. The online program this is an online traditional theater. This program is called as online traditional theaters. And this program will feature Mansai Nomura's new Kyogen, Kagami-kaja. This is also online program will be on December 9th at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is also free programs. On page 3, we have announcement from Zenshuji Soto Mission, a Buddhist temple in Little Tokyo. The Zenshuji Temple will host Hichigo-san prayers, the prayer of celebration for 3, 5, and 7 years girls and boys. This event will be held on Sunday, November 15th, and more information will be posted on page 6 in this issue. On page 4, we have information from Little Tokyo. The Little Tokyo is under construction of new metro stations. And to stimulate local business, the metro spend a lot of money to build programs. Uh, the name is Go Little Tokyo programs to stimulate local business in Little Tokyo. So by a Go Little Tokyo project, the online and in-person Halloween programs uh, will be held through October 31st. So these programs include uh, in-person event and also online event. So please check the Go Little Tokyo or Haunted Little Tokyo web page. And page 5, we have a regular page of Ohayashi Juku, Japanese percussion lectures by Mariko Watabe. Uh, Miss Watabe is professional Japanese dancer, percussion artist, shamisen players, and also Yamato Gaku players. So in this issue, uh, she talks about the Temari Uta. This Temari Uta is one of the genre in music. And in uh, context of kabuki music, uh, Miss Watabe explained about future of Temari Uta songs. Page 6 is a full page advertisement about Shichigo-san Children's Celebration, sponsored by Zenshuji Buddhist Temple in Little Tokyo. So, weekly culture news is published for substitute of monthly culture news. And uh, until end of this year, uh, we like to provide uh, weekly culture news to the public for free of charge. So this is the bottom line is the free download link to read latest issue of Culture News. So this is the last page is announcement to the reader of monthly Culture News. Uh, Thank you very much for your subscription of the uh, monthly culture news readers. However, we have to stop the publishing the monthly paper in last April. But since June this year, we started weekly culture news, and we are still providing Japanese cultural informations. Currently, most of the information are online or virtual program. Uh, and we are expecting more in-person program will return soon. And to keep culture news project, publishing the culture news and providing the website and email blast uh, to the public, uh, we need 30,000 found right away. And so far, we have raised 10,000. And by end of this year, for 2 months, we like to raise $20,000. So we like to ask you to help Culture News to continue. Thank you very much for listening my message, and see you again soon in person. Bye bye.